Ever feel like your bank is, well, just there? Like it's taking your money, maybe giving you a little interest, but not really doing much else? You're looking for that sweet spot, right? High interest rates, low fees, killer online tools, and maybe, just maybe, a bank that actually seems to care. You've heard of Ally Bank, the online darling, but maybe it's not quite the right fit, or you're just curious. You're asking, what bank is similar to Ally Bank? You're not alone. We've all been there, that nagging feeling that we're missing out on something better, something that actually works for us. Let's be real, the banking landscape can feel like navigating a jungle. You've got the giants, the brick-and-mortar behemoths with their branch networks and, well, their fees. Then, you've got the sleek, digital-first challengers promising the world. But how do you know which ones are actually delivering? Ally Bank has carved out a niche, no doubt. But what if you're looking for something with a slightly different flavor? Maybe you want a bit more human interaction, or perhaps a specific feature that Ally doesn't offer. That's what we're diving into today. Before we jump into the alternatives, let's quickly recap what makes Ally Bank stand out. It's primarily an online bank, meaning no physical branches. This translates to lower overhead, which they pass on to you in the form of competitive interest rates on savings accounts and CDs, and no monthly maintenance fees on their checking and savings accounts. They've also built a user-friendly online and mobile experience, making it easy to manage your money. They offer a range of products, including mortgages, auto loans, and investment services. So, we're looking for banks that tick some, if not all, of these boxes: competitive rates, low or no fees, strong online presence, and a decent range of financial products. Now, let's get to the good stuff. First up, we have Capital One 360. Capital One, while having physical branches, has a strong online presence with its 360 line of products. Their 360 Performance Savings account often boasts competitive APYs, and their 360 Checking account is known for its lack of fees and user-friendly interface. They also offer a wide range of credit cards and other banking products, making them a one-stop shop for many financial needs. What sets them apart? They offer a blend of online convenience and physical branch access, which can be a plus for those who occasionally prefer in-person banking. Their customer service is also generally well regarded. If you're looking for the digital experience of Ally, but with the option of a branch, Capital One 360 is worth a hard look. Next on our list is Discover Bank. Known primarily for their credit cards, Discover also has a strong online banking presence. Their online savings account often offers competitive interest rates, and they offer a cashback checking account that can be appealing. Like Ally, they focus on simplicity and transparency, with no monthly maintenance fees on their checking and savings accounts. Discover's customer service is often cited as a major strength, and their mobile app is consistently rated highly. Discover also offers CDs and money market accounts. If you value customer service and a straightforward online banking experience, Discover Bank could be a good alternative. Now, let's talk about SoFi. SoFi, short for Social Finance, started as a student loan refinancing company but has since expanded into a full-fledged online bank. Their SoFi checking and savings accounts stand out for their high APYs, particularly for those who set up direct deposit. They also offer a range of other financial products, including personal loans, investment services, and even credit cards. SoFi emphasizes a tech-driven approach, with a sleek mobile app and a focus on financial wellness. They also offer unique perks, like career coaching and access to financial planners. SoFi is great if you want a modern, tech-forward banking experience with a focus on building long-term financial health. Another option to consider is Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Marcus is the online banking arm of Goldman Sachs, a well-established financial institution. They're known for their high-yield online savings accounts and CDs, often offering some of the most competitive rates in the market. They don't offer checking accounts, but they do offer personal loans. Marcus focuses on simplicity and high interest rates, making them a great option for those looking to maximize their savings. If your priority is maximizing your savings and you don't need a full suite of banking products, Marcus is a strong contender. We should also touch upon CIT Bank. CIT Bank, like Marcus, is known for its competitive savings accounts and CDs. They offer a range of savings products, including money market accounts and high-yield savings accounts. They also offer home loans. While they don't offer checking accounts, their focus on high-yield savings makes them attractive for those looking to grow their savings quickly. CIT Bank is a solid choice if your focus is on maximizing your savings and you are comfortable with an online-only experience. Let's not overlook Axos Bank. Axos Bank is a completely digital bank with no physical branches. They offer a range of checking and savings accounts, including high-yield savings accounts and cash-back checking accounts. Axos also offers a variety of loan products, including mortgages and auto loans. They have a reputation for innovation and offering a wide range of account types to suit different needs. Axos is a good option if you want a fully digital bank that offers a wide range of products and services. Finally, while not a direct competitor in the traditional sense, online credit unions deserve a mention. Credit unions, unlike banks, are member-owned and often offer competitive rates and lower fees. Many credit unions have expanded their online presence, making it easy to access their services from anywhere. They often prioritize customer service and community involvement. If you're looking for a more personalized banking experience and are open to joining a credit union, exploring online credit union options is a great choice. Now, how do you decide which one is right for you? It really comes down to your individual needs and priorities. Ask yourself these questions. What are your primary banking needs? Are you focused on maximizing savings, or do you need a full suite of banking products, including checking, savings, and loans? How important is online convenience? Are you comfortable with a completely online bank, or do you prefer the option of physical branches? What are your priorities regarding fees? Are you looking for a bank with no monthly maintenance fees? How important is customer service? Do you value personalized support? What features are essential to you? Are you looking for specific features like cashback rewards, high APYs, or financial planning tools? By answering these questions, you can narrow down your options and find a bank that aligns with your financial goals. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. The best bank for you is the one that meets your specific needs and preferences. Take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.